Way too hot here. We have to see the other passengers. I won't be able to record. Price. Hey guys, good morning to everyone present here. Am I giving a speech? Sorry for that. Good morning everyone. So this video is going to be the traveling and studying vlog because I will be traveling a lot because today I have to go to the West Bengal and tomorrow I'm having my entrance exam and day after tomorrow I have to come back home again. So yeah, this is going to be the most chaotic travel. I just took shower and I'm already feeling hot. It's 40 degrees Celsius, so what I can expect? Like it's way too hot here. Way too hot. Reached on the platform, peekaboo, here waiting for the train to arrive and I don't know when the train will arrive. Let's wait. This is going to be my first time boarding the train without my father. Like every time I board the train, my father was always there, but this time he is out of the station. So yeah, we have to board the train without him. So this is our train. When we entered the coach, the authorities told us that there will be cleaning of the train and then we have to come out immediately after just going in. What? We got the worst seat possible. Like look at, we have to see the other passenger face. Like look at it. Like oh my god. So we are finally on the train and at home I was complaining that I am feeling hot now, I'm feeling cold. What's wrong with me? I don't know. This guy is super. Almost reached the station. Was our train. At my relative's house and right now we are at the terrace and I have already eaten dinner and the wind is slowly blowing, so I'm not feeling that much hot. Train I tried to study but I couldn't focus for some reason, I don't know why. So I will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm ready and I will be leaving for the center in like 5 minutes and that's it. I won't be able to record. Because I will be leaving this phone here, so I won't be able to record. So meet you after the exam. Bye bye, see you, take care. So wish me luck and see you after the exam. Mango party. Love. Good morning guys, it's another day here and it's actually day 3 over here. Yesterday I didn't record that how did my examination went. So okay, so my physics and chemistry paper was of 2 hours like, together and it was okay. I was able to solve questions and the maths, I don't have any words to describe the question of maths. You know, I was not able to understand the question for some reason and my maths was not good, like really it's not good. So that was it and like you can see over here these. Hi, going back home. This is the food that I got for the breakfast. Price. It's noon and we have received this as our afternoon lunch. It doesn't have any taste, it's bland. We got ice cream also.